Quick tutorial using character map and symbols. Brief explanation. The character map is a useful tool for inserting special characters, symbols, and emojis that aren't available directly on your keyboard. You can use it to add things like mathematical symbols, currency signs, and emojis with ease. Step-by-step guide. 1. Open the character map. Hold down the Windows key and press the semicolon key on your keyboard. This opens the character map and emoji panel. 2. Explore the options. Along the top of the panel, you'll see 6 icons representing different categories like symbols, emojis, and more. 3. Add symbols. Click the symbols icon, one of the 6 icons at the top. A list of symbol groups will appear: currency, mathematical, language symbols, etc. Select a symbol group and choose the symbol you want to insert. 4. Add emojis. Click the emoji icon from the top panel. Browse through the emoji categories and select an emoji to add to your text. This method allows quick and easy access to a wide range of symbols and emojis, perfect for adding a personal or professional touch to your documents.